coat, untie your shoes and come on in. There's a seat saved on the first row. The stars are out, the show is ready to begin. The sky is falling down. Open your arms, I'll climb inside and we can share the night. It'll be alright, we can share the night. Creatures cry, the shadows sprawl along the ground. Grab your cross and pray. Those gods you fear, they can do nothing for you now. Absolutions fail. We lay infused between the Hollers and the hills. Hold on tight, it'll be alright, we can share the night.